Okay, last one. We have a telescope, and its usefulness is limited by a star's brightness and the diameter of the lens of the telescope. That's a lot. So a star's brightness is measured by its magnitude, and the brighter the star, the smaller the magnitude. So all of that has an equation. Okay, so it's a logarithmic equation, and the limiting magnitude of a telescope can be calculated using this equation, where d is the diameter, so d is diameter, and L is the limiting magnitude. That's what this equation tells us. Oops. Magnitude. Okay, and then the rest is just numbers. So A is what is the limiting magnitude? Oh, what's L? That's what we're trying to find. What is L of a 3.2 inch telescope? That 3.2 is the diameter. That's how we measure telescopes. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so L equals 9 plus 5.1 log base 10 of 3.2. Calculator, that's it. Alright, so my last problem, 9 plus 5.1 log base 10 is always the base. I think it's going to have an error. It doesn't like when you do bases on here. 3.2. If you want, this is 11.58, but if you're like, I need a log with a base, you have to use the graphing calculator. We'll do it here too. Guess what? We got the same thing, because the common log is base 10. So 11.58, that 7 changes because of that 6. So 11.58 would be our magnitude. Okay, what diameter, we're finding D. What could D be? Is required to be a star of magnitude, that's our L, of 9. So let's set up our equation. 9 equals 9 plus 5.1 log base 10 of D. So we're going to solve for D. So first we got to isolate the log. So let's get rid of the 9 and the 5.1. We're adding all of this. It's a positive 9, so we're going to subtract 9 on both sides. Okay, we just get 0. Now we got to get rid of the 5.1. So when things are next to each other in math, we're timesing. So to get rid of the 5.1, we're going to divide both sides by 5.1. 0 divided by anything is 0. So I have 0 equals log base 10 of D. Okay, so to get rid of the log, we do the opposite of a log, which is an exponent, and the base tells us what exponent to use. So we're going to take everything to the power of 10. What that does is it gets rid of the log, and we're just left with the D. And then 10 to the 0 power is not 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So D is 1 inch.